In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a scanned PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your scanned document. So I have it over here. I'm just going to drag and drop it in, and it's going to open up. And as you can see, this is a scanned document. Now, if I go to Edit PDF over here, it's going to automatically try and make it editable. Okay, so as you can see here, it's now editable. I can edit whatever I want. And now, of course, I can do anything just like with a usual normal PDF document. Okay, so that's one way to do it. But if that doesn't happen for you automatically, you could go to Scan and OCR over here, and you could go to Recognize Text up top and then click on In this file. Here you then have to select the pages, the language, and then you want to click on Recognize Text. It's going to start running, and there we go. It's going to basically try and recognize your text. You could also enhance it if you want to, so I'm going to click on that and try to enhance the document as well. It's going to start optimizing and stuff like this, and it's going to look a bit better when you do that. As you see over here, there we go. It tries its best, and then you can go and basically close this. You can go again into the edit mode, and it's automatically going to allow you to change anything. So here I can, for example, just type in like hello instead tutorial. As you can see, it's working, and it's also very good at recognizing fonts and text and kind of the style of the current PDF over here. Okay, so that's essentially how to edit a scanned PDF document. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.